Hi everyone, this is Tony Correa, and today, guys, I'm going to be talking about the best web hosting for LLCs. Yes, as you can see, why your LLC needs professional hosting because an LLC without a professional website looks like a hobby. Yes, good hosting gives you free domain, business email, SSL certificate, daily backups, and speed that ranks on Google. Yes, so LLC what LLCs should look for? Speed and uptime, free SSL certificates, daily backups, and malware scanning. Also, you need a free business email and 24/7 support. Yes, so I have chosen the best web hosting for LLCs compared. In number one, we have the overall value is for Hostinger. In number two, Bluehost. In number three, Cloudways. And finally, in number four, Interserver. Best web hosting for LLCs, test and ranked. Yes, in number one, as I told you before, we have Hostinger, best overall for LLCs. Why LLCs loves it? Because it's the best value, light speed cache, 300% faster than Apache, free domain from 1 year, and free business email, among many features. In number two, we have Bluehost, best for WordPress LLCs. Why LLCs loves it? Because it's officially recommended by WordPress.org, free domain for 1 year, free SSL certificate, among many features. Yes. In number three, we have Always, best for scaling LLCs and e-commerce stores. They offer you managed cloud hosting, sponsored by DigitalOcean, Amazon Web Service, Google Cloud without managing service, pay as you go from $11 a month. And in number four, we have Interserver, best for unlimited sites, price lock guarantee, only host with price lock guarantee, paying just $2.50 per month, never increases at renewal. Yes? So now, how to choose hosting for your LLC. In number one, if you are new to LLC or your first site, we recommend you going with Hostinger because it's the cheapest with free domain plus a business email plus SSL certificate. Yes, you can launch your website in 30 minutes with AI Builder, just paying $2.99 per month. That covers everything. Number two, WordPress blog or service site, Bluehost. If you want WordPress, best SEO for LLCs, Bluehost Wondersuite official recommendation makes it easiest. Yes. In number three, we have if you want a high traffic LLC website or store, we recommend you going with Cloudways. Over 50K visits a month or WooCommerce, share hosting will be slow. Cloudways scales automatically without downtime. In number four, we have if you manage multiple LLCs or client sites, we recommend you going with Interserver. They offer you unlimited sites for $2.50 locked price. You can host 10 LLC sites for the same price versus $30 per month elsewhere. Hosting for LLCs. Do I need hosting for my LLC? Yes, if you want clients, business email, and Google presence. Banks, Stripe, and business licenses often ask for websites. Yes. Can I get a business email with hosting? Yes, Hostinger gives you 100 emails. Bluehost also gives you free email and interserver. Yes. Included. Cloudways requires Google Workspace and you need to pay $6 additionally. What's the cheapest reliable hosting? Interserver, you are going to pay $2.50 per month. Hostinger, $2.99 per month. Both include SSL and email. Every $1 hosts slow and no backup. Should LLC use WordPress or Website Builder? WordPress SEO and scalability recommended. Hostinger AI Builder or Bluehost Wondersuite Builder for non-tech LLC owners who want drag and drop. Final verdict: best web hosting for LLCs. For 90% of new LLCs, Hostinger wins because they offer you free domain plus email plus SSL plus light speed for $2.99 a month. Yes. I hope you guys have liked my review. Remember to visit my official website, also llcguidance.com, where I recommend you the steps on how to choose your also I mean LLC formation services as well as your the best web hosting to start your LLC with. Yes. Okay, guys. I hope you have liked my video about the best LLCs and the best web hosting for LLCs. And see you next time. Bye bye. Take care.